we're gonna take a moment to talk about fixed objects. Some of the things that's kind of obvious is the amount of money companies spend when drivers back into things that weren't moving. It's crazy, I know, right? I want you to say, if it's early morning or late in the afternoon, dusk time, drop the visor down. Use that safety equipment so the sun's not hitting your eyes as you're trying to back up. Next, if you're going into the caves or an area where light goes to dark in rapid succession, take the time, get out and look. Do the 360 degrees around the truck. Take the time to know your surroundings. And lastly, when backing up, watch out for those yellow deer. I know they like to jump out at you, right? That yellow post was there yesterday, it's gonna be there today, it's gonna be there tomorrow. So take your time and be safe. I'm Michael Novak, orientation facilitator here at Bay & Bay. Have a great day.